In this question, you have to identify the method by which the breed Hisardel of sheep was formed. Option A, crossbreeding. The breed Hisardel was developed by crossbreeding only, and it was crossed between the Bikaneri ewes, which is a native Indian breed, and Merino rams, which is a foreign breed and which is very famous for its fine wool. So crossbreeding combines the desirable traits of both the parent breeds. And in this case, the aim was to improve the wool quality as well as the adaptability of the sheep. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, inbreeding. This is incorrect. Inbreeding involves the breeding between closely related individuals, and it is often used to maintain the certain desirable traits. But this is not the method to develop the above mentioned breed. Option C, outcrossing. This is also incorrect. It refers to the breeding of unrelated individuals within the same breed, which is much different from crossbreeding between two distinct breeds. So it is also incorrect. Option D, mutational breeding. This is also incorrect. This involves the use of chemicals or radiation to induce mutations, and that is not generally used for developing new breeds of animals like Hisardel.